Hello, Facebook family. I just want to talk to you guys about dreams and never giving up on something that you really want in life. And a lot of you guys don't know my story. A lot of you guys don't know that, that I was really, I was really down in the ruts like 6 years ago, really struggling. Didn't have enough money to even pay for my daughter's when we went out to eat. I didn't even have enough money on my credit card or even in my bank to even pay for a meal, a simple meal at a restaurant, and I was so embarrassed. And that was the time where I had all the degrees. That was the time that I went to college. That was the time where the world said to me that if you go to college, Mark, if you go to college and you graduate from college, you will be successful. But the world never said that you have to build up your mind. The world never said that it's going to be a struggle. The world never said that it's going to be a fight. The world never said that people won't believe in you. The world never said that. All the world said was that to go to college, get a degree, and you'll be successful. Not one person said to me that you had to build up your mind to be successful. Not one person said to me that you can't let other people define who you are. Not one person said to me that we have to start thinking beyond the 9 to 5. So back in the day, I never thought about multiple streams of income. I always just worked paycheck to paycheck, just like everybody else. Always broke, always struggling every week, always going to the man, the payday loan lender, to borrow money and to return back a $45 interest rate. I thought that there was no other out. I thought that there was no other way. I thought that it was it. Software didn't come in, credit repair didn't come in, running your own business, owning your own wealth, building your own empire didn't come in. Until one day I sat down and I said, Mark, you know what? God gave you something. And what did he give you? I said, God, what did you give me? What is it? What am I supposed to do out here? What am I supposed to do? I can't be broke for the rest of my life. I can't struggle for the rest of my life. What am I supposed to do? God said, Mark, I gave you a gift. I gave you a gift to be motivated. I gave you a gift to speak. I gave you a gift to never stop. I gave you a gift to be successful. And you know what he did? And you know what he gave you a gift to? And you want to know what that gift is? Is that if you change the way you think, if you change your thought process right now, not tomorrow, not when you wake up in the morning, but right now, if you change your thoughts, if you build your mind like I did, if you just follow my blueprint, and I'm going to tell you my blueprint if you watch all the way through. See, the ones that's watching all the way through, those are the ones that has experienced the same thing that I experienced 5, 6, 7 years ago. And if you follow my blueprint of success, and I'm not talking about success of building a business, I'm talking about success of building the mind. Now, I want to ask you a question. How does it feel, Mark? How does it feel to go from a Honda Accord, a 2002 Honda Accord where I had to take and get oil changes like every 3-6 months, making a payment for 5 years, a Honda Accord? How does it feel to go from that to a Mercedes-Benz S-Class 550 2020? It's like $100,000 car. How does it feel to go from that to that vehicle in a 5-year period? And the answer to that is, I don't know. It feels weird, actually. I mean, because I'm not used to that. I'm not used to that. Every time I drive that car, it's a beautiful car. It's a beautiful car, but my mind is still thinking like I was 5 years ago, and I'm trying to get out of that. But what I'm trying to say to you is that I lived in a 2-bedroom apartment for a long time. I never owned a house. I never owned a house because I never could afford a house. I never could save money. I never had money to even put a down payment. My credit was shit. I never had any of that. But what turned that around? What turned that around? My mind. What I started doing is I started listening to the top motivational speakers in the world. Eric Thomas, write it down. Anthony Robbins, Tony Robbins, and Les Brown. Les Brown is the number one guy. Les Brown is the one that I really listen to. He's the one that really got in my mind. He's the one that really changed. I hope I meet this guy one day and I'm gonna say, Les, you did it. You did it. You did it. You're the one who got in my mind. You're the one who made all this happen. And Les said, Mark, look, what is the worst can happen? What is the worst can happen? The worst can happen is that you don't succeed, but really you do succeed because the journey is what teaches you success. On the way to success is where it happens. It doesn't happen in the end because I have it all now, right? Look at this house. Look at it. I'm going to turn around and show it to you. Look at upstairs. Look at this. Look at this right here. It's beautiful, right? Look at that. Look at them upstairs. Okay? So I have what I always wanted. I have the money, the cars, the jewelry, the bling bling. All the stuff that people wish for. I have it. But I didn't have it a while ago. Does it change me? Does it make me any different than I was before? Not really. Because I'm still money conscious. I'm still money conscious right here in my mind. I still don't want to spend money. I still don't want to spend money. But what I'm trying to say, the moral of the story to this video is this. Listen, guys, listen, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to grow, if you want to do something, it doesn't have to be credit repair business. It can be any business. It can be tax. It can be hair. It can be car wash. It can be running your own business, whatever it is that you want to do. But what I can tell you right now, for sure, that if we don't change the way we think, if we don't start adding multiple streams of income to our lives, if we don't find something, some product, some invention, some software, some business, something, we will never get further than where we are right now. And lastly, before I get off the call here, I want to say, don't let others define who you are. I want you to believe in what it is that you want. And every single day, don't miss a day. Every single day you wake up, you work on that one dream, baby steps, one at a time. And at the end, you will eventually get there because God has brought me and my wife here from where we were before. And there's no way we could do that. There's no way we can just do that off of wishing. We had to take massive action. And I know you can take massive action as well. That is it for today. I just wanted to share that with you guys. That's my story. And I'm sticking to it. All right. Take care.